Good Monday, everyone. We're thankful for B&H Storm Shelters for being the newest sponsor for meteorologistmark.com and the app. Give them a call today and see what they can do to keep you safe in the storm. They also have a Facebook page and a website. Just Google B&H Storm Shelters and you look them up in Sparta, Tennessee. Upper Cumberland Federal Credit Union brings us our headlines. Not much to report. A nice week of weather ahead, and Imelda will stay out to sea. So all the guidance has been trending farther and farther away from the U.S. coast, and that trend continues this morning. So thanks to Humberto becoming so incredibly powerful, it is going to have even more influence over Imelda and pull that storm out to sea before it can even get near the coastline. And that is wonderful news for the Carolinas and the Georgia coastline and even Florida, where we were expecting some big time issues with flooding if that system had gotten closer to the shore. So we can be very thankful for a very, very, very lucky turnout for this particular storm. Premier Generators brings us our level of concern. We have no weather worries in our neighborhood today. Clearview Closet and Blind brings you your 5-day forecast, and you see why I don't have any weather worries. It's mostly sunny for our Monday, highs in the low 80s. Tuesday, a 10% chance for a sprinkle. And that's the best chance of rain we have all week. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, looking mostly sunny to partly cloudy. There will be a few clouds now and again. Pretty much highs near 80 each day, lows in the 50s until we get to the end of the week. And because of the northerly turn of winds behind these tropical systems and whatnot, and another front coming through, temperatures will drop down in the mid 70s for Friday and drop into the upper 40s for overnight lows by Saturday morning. No severe weather to worry about. I'm sure Premier Generators is happy to sponsor that graphic. And Weicker Realtors is probably proud to sponsor this graphic as well. September is normally quiet, the end of September into October, barring any tropical situations. And this one's proving no exception. On this day in weather history, it has not always been boring on this day. 1927, an outbreak of tornadoes from Oklahoma to Indiana caused 81 deaths and $25 million in damage. Terrible situation in St. Louis, Missouri. You can read there. And my goodness, the damage in that it's a tornado, possibly two tornadoes, cut an 8-mile path across St. Louis, Missouri to Granite City, Illinois, killing 79 people. The damage path at times was 1.25 miles in width. The storm followed a similar path to tornadoes which struck in 1871, 1896, and 1959. How weird is that? 1964, Smithville records its greatest one-day rainfall ever, a little over half a foot, as well as Cookeville with a little over 6 inches of rain. So a very wet day, no doubt, from a tropical system. You folks have a wonderful Monday and a wonderful start to your week, and keep looking up. For even more weather information, just download that Meteorologist Mark app. It's free, or go to the website, meteorologistmark.com.